Hello, welcome to Foodie Mom channel. Today we are going to see how to make puttu using samba rice. I have used the coconut shell to make the samba rice puttu. Come on, let's get started with the recipe. First I have taken 1 cup of samba rice puttu flour. The one I am using here is a homemade puttu flour. It's easily available in outside shops as well. I will soon share the steps for making this flour. You can even use white rice puttu flour for making this puttu. Now we'll add salt as per the taste. I have added about half a teaspoon. Adding a little bit of ghee brings out nice flavor. So I'm adding about half a teaspoon of ghee. Now add water little by little. We should not make a dough out of it. We should mix it in such a way that it holds its shape. When we close our palms around it, I'll show you when it's ready. Just make sure you don't add more water at the time. Now we can see it's holding its shape. Now that the flour is ready, we can get started with making the puttu. I have taken some shredded coconut. I'm going to use the coconut shell for making it. Just take an empty coconut shell and make a hole at the back of it. We are going to use this hole to place it on top of our pressure cooker. Let's first add coconut. Be generous with adding the coconut. Coconut is what brings life to puttu. So add quite a bit of coconut. Also adding the flour immediately with little bit of coconut clogs the hole and stops the steam from reaching the top. So first add lot of coconut and then top it with some flour and then again cover with lot of coconut. Gently press it so that it holds the shape. Otherwise when we turn it upside down, it will not hold the shape. Now we are going to place it on top of the pressure cooker. I have placed some water and we should place it when we can see the steam coming from top, and then we can close it with the other coconut shell. Give it about 10 minutes or so until you see the steam coming from it. Now you can see the steam coming from the top of it. It means the puttu is ready. So gently remove it. And now our puttu is ready for serving. Just invert a plate on top of it and slowly invert the coconut shell. Wow, it looks beautiful. If we don't press the puttu before cooking it, it will not hold the shape. So make sure you press it. And it's best when served with boiled green grams and some brown sugar and popped. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching our videos.